Hello friends, welcome you to my YouTube channel UPSC Warriors. In this video, we are going to discuss the current affairs dated 8 December. The sources are taken from the headlines of the Hindu and the Indian Express. So let's begin. Syria is in news because war has taken place. How UPSC is going to frame the question? Either the commission will ask what is the capital, or they will ask which are the countries that surround Syria. So let us see. Capital of Syria is Damascus. Now let us look into the countries that surround the Syria. Ticks to remember is Tizil, and the countries that surrounds are Turkey, Israel, Jordan, Iraq, and Lebanon. Anubhava Mantap painting being the first parliament of the country. Two Tamil inscription from Alathu Dhanapati temple in Tiruchi district deciphered. Inscriptions belongs to the period of Chola and king was Raja III. Thank you for watching.